Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and this is my second haul. I actually have three, but this is Crafter's Companion from HSN when they had, I think, May 5th, 6th, around there somewhere. They had a 24-hour show, and if you hear the chirping in the background, Johnny is working on survey instruments, uploading and working to the computer and doing calculations, and he has to go to work at 4 a.m. tomorrow, drive 6 hours, come home that same day, and it's 11:18 at night. So hurry, Johnny. Anyway, you need to get to bed, love. Anyway, hi guys. We're always busy around here. So I just want to show you Crafter's Companion stuff. So I got their Today Special Value. This is the Today Special Value all packed in one, and I'll explain it. And then I'll show you the add-ons that I got with it. So hopefully the glare won't drive us crazy. So this is a cake. And if you see right here, you put it on a card and it pops it out. Let's see. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. And I'll pop it out. So here's the cake, and with the cake, this is a die for people that may not know that. With the cake you get all the little extra pieces that goes with the cake stand, the candles, the doily, the sentiments, and the cherries and all that. So that went with that. And let's see, with the cake you got the stamp that went with it too. So look at all the pieces. And one of these was the embossing folder. So that was part of it. There's a 3-part, so that's one part of it. I know you can still buy this, but I don't know if you're going to get it at the Today Special Value price. So there's one section. Lovely. And then you get the house. See the house? And then can you see the house right here? Let's see. Maybe you can see this right here. See how it pops out on a card? You fold it and it'll be a pop out. So there's the house. There is the cat and the dog, the fence. That almost looks like candles right there, but it's a fence and everything. There's that section. And what else went with it? So with the stamps, you got all the stamps, the brick, the door, the animals, welcome mat, and then you have the alphabet and numbers, which that's really nice. So that's really nice. And then let's see, the embossing folder that went with that was the clouds. So that is 2/3 of the Today Special Value. This is Crafter's Companion. She's based out of the UK. If you see Jeannie, she is the one that has the Jeannie and die machine. That it's on my bucket list to buy one day. So then this one is the chair, and can you see where it pops out of the chair? Let's see how it, her favorite color is purple, so that's why everything's purple. But you see where it pops out of the chair. So you get the chair. Let's move this up out a little. So you get the chair. You get everything that goes inside the house with the chair. So you get the window, the table, the lamp, the vase, the flowers, the picture that hangs on the wall, the curtain rods. So that went with it. So it's going to be so much fun to make these cards. And I want to just take the whole summer and start making cards and have a stash. And then that way I'll just grab and work on it, you know, because after like 3 months, I'll be tired of paper. But I'm going to have a stash where it's like, wow, I have these. And actually, I make a lot of cards for my mom. So, yeah. So in the embossing folder is the wood grain that went with that. And then also here is the stamp that went with it. What this stamp is to make the chair look like material, and the flowers and the curtain and the drawer and the lamp. So there's the stamp that went with it. So this was packed. Then she gives you a CD, and you can see there's a little house there, and there's a chair. No, this is the cake. So there's just so many ideas. If you can see it without the glare is driving me crazy. So you get a CD, but she makes videos. There is Crafter's Companion HSN Friends on Facebook, where everyone, I mean, there's 10,000 people, and they have already been posting all their projects, and she makes videos and puts in there. She has a YouTube channel, so it's easy to follow along with her. And then also she has the paper for the house and everything for the cards that came with this. So that's going to be just so much fun to play around with. I can't wait. Come winter, I'm going to be sick of paper, but right now I'm really excited. So that was the Today Special Value that I had to splurge and have. And I got the auto ship that for $24, I'm going to get a whole nother section, and it's going to be, one is butterfly, one is teapot, and the other one is presents. So the presents I think is coming after Christmas, but you know, I won't do presents for Christmas cards. But anyway, or I don't know when it's all coming. But anyway, check out HSN on TV. So then also I got to splurge with it. I went ahead and added the tree and flower path and the walkway path to go with the house. I splurged and got that. Then I got this sentiment windows and dies. I don't know if you can see it better there. I bought that. And then this is a whole nother splurge. This came together. And these sentiments match inside of this. They didn't come together. These are two different things. The embossing folders with these stamps came together, but this fits perfectly inside these. Not all of them, but most of them. So I got these, all this: kiss, joy, happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day, thinking of you, so much. So happy birthday, love, friends. So I want to just start making cards and, you know, reaching out to my friends that I just don't, you know, I'm not a person that talks on the phone. So hopefully maybe if I make cards and just do old school and just put a smile on someone's face, I hope to do that. That's my end goal. So then I got the embossing folders. This one's really pretty. And then the brick one will go back to that house. This one would do good for the cake. This one is polka dots. Isn't that pretty? This one is, I don't know, it's like little leaves or something. And then this one is a different type of stone brick. So hopefully you like what I got, and we'll go check out HSN and look at Crafter's Companion type stuff. I love all this. I hope that I use it and enjoy it. I think I will. So okay guys, thanks for watching. And my husband just whispered, I'm going to bed. So yay, good night Johnny. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye.